In industrial settings, the risk of oil spills is always present. When a leak occurs, response time is critical, every second matters. For small, localized spills, a rapid and effective solution is essential. That's where the 20L oil spill kit comes in. Compact and portable, it's designed to be deployed in moments. Here's how it works. When a spill occurs, the operator quickly grabs the 20L kit from its storage spot and opens the sturdy, easy-access bag. Inside, neatly packed and clearly labeled, are the absorbent socks, high-performance pads, and a disposal bag for used materials. First, the worker removes a sock from the kit and places it around the spill to contain the oil, forming a barrier that prevents it from spreading further. Next, he takes out several oil-absorbent pads and lay them directly over the oil surface. The pads begin to work instantly, drawing in and holding the oil to leave the surface dry and safe. Once the spill is fully absorbed, the worker gathers the saturated pads and socks, placing them into the included disposal bag for proper handling and safe disposal. The entire process is engineered for one-person operation, no extra help or tools required. In just minutes, the area is clean, safe, and ready for use again. The 20L Oil Spill Kit, your go-to solution for workshops, vehicle maintenance areas, and onboard ships. Contact JXY today and be ready for any spill before it happens.